App File Operation. In the File operation, click the top right corner, select a file. Click 3D Creation. Here has 3 modes: 3D Sphere, 3D Cylinder, and 3D Box. iPhone has one more mode, 3D Text. Here we use 3D Box as example. You can select words or the images. Here we use words. You can write anything you want, such as 888. You can change the color of the words at the end color plate, word size, and styles. Second line in the same way. In the setting, we can adjust size, thickness, direction, speed, angle, duration. At the last part, we can add some effects. When it's all set up, we click Preview, then click Save Video. It will automatically create the video and upload it. iPhone needs to connect sending from the local file. Turn back to the file operation. The first file is the video we just made. In order to know it well, we rename it as 1.